Do you need a clean way to run MCP backends on AWS? In this project, we implement a reusable MCP pattern using API Gateway, Lambda, and IAM authorization. Follow along, and in minutes you'll have a working backend that any AI client can use to call your serverless tools on AWS. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. We start with the AI client, in this case Claude Desktop, issuing MCP tool calls over standard JSON RPC. Those calls are handled by a lightweight MCP proxy. The proxy acts as a bridge, translating local MCP requests into HTTPS calls. The proxy uses IAM credentials to sign every request, so nothing reaches AWS without authentication. API Gateway is the entry point for the backend. Every route is protected using AWS IAM authorization. Behind API Gateway, each route invokes a Lambda function. These functions call AWS services directly, here the Cost Explorer API, to retrieve data. So from the AI's perspective, this looks like a local tool server. But in reality, every request is securely routed through API Gateway and executed in Lambda using IAM. That's the core pattern here. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up AWS in Terraform, check out our AWS setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build is completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. An HTTP API gateway is created as the entry point for all MCP tool calls. All routes are secured with AWS IAM authorization, so every request must be IAM signed. A dedicated IAM user is created for the proxy with permission to invoke the API only. Those credentials are stored in Secrets Manager and used by the proxy for request signing. Multiple Lambda functions are deployed, one per tool, plus a discovery endpoint. All tool logic is implemented in Python, with each handler calling Cost Explorer. A central tool registry defines all available tools, and this is used by the proxy for dynamic configuration. Finally, example client configuration files are generated, allowing the MCP client to connect to the backend. First, update your AI client configuration. Here I'm using Claude Desktop. Restart the client. Confirm it recognizes the Serverless MCP. Now let's ask, what's my monthly spend? You'll get a month-to-date total. Next, break it down by service. Now you can see exactly where the costs are coming from. Finally, ask if there are any trends. Here it flags a spike, driven by my AI projects this month. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.